Standard conditions for temperature and pressure. Many students, and of course some few teachers, confuse between STP, RTP, and SATP. In this video, we are going to look at the standard temperature and pressure, STP, the room temperature and pressure, RTP, and the standard ambient temperature and pressure values, so that we will be able to clearly understand what the difference is. If this video lesson is helpful, then don't forget to like it, plus subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell to be notified of new videos when we release them. My name is Fred Arapto from Teacher.co.ke. Let's get started. Often in the laboratory, we would like to have conditions, or sometimes called state functions, that are similar to those used by scientists in other laboratories. Of course, this should be in almost all the countries, whether you're in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Canada, US, or Australia, wherever. We need to have conditions that are similar to each other. As such, as a community that belongs to science, we decided to call these conditions standard. The two conditions that we will use, because whenever they change, they affect the volumes of gases, are temperature and pressure. We will call these conditions standard temperature and pressure, or abbreviated as STP. Now, these two conditions, the STP, were simply chosen. So note that they are simply chosen values. The standard temperature and pressure STP values are temperature 0 degrees Celsius, approximately 273 Kelvin, and the pressure is 1 atmosphere, that is for gases. Sometimes it's some people can use 760 millimeters of mercury. But in the recent times, IUPAC, that is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, adopted new standard conditions. These conditions are 1 atmosphere and 25 degrees Celsius. So 1 atmosphere for pressure and 25 degrees Celsius for temperature. But these conditions have not picked up, and as such, they are simply referred to as the standard ambient temperature and pressure, or sometimes called the room temperature and pressure. So to repeat, the standard ambient temperature and pressure, or the room temperature and pressure, are simply 1 atmosphere's pressure and 25 degrees Celsius temperature, or simply 298 Kelvin. Don't confuse it with the standard temperature and pressure, which is temperature 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin and pressure 1 atmosphere. The RTP is simply temperature 25 degrees Celsius or approximately 298 Kelvin and pressure 1 atmosphere. So take note of these values, as we will be using them in many calculations. Now, in our next lesson, we will look at Graham's law of diffusion. Check it out.